Haha! Ammo stalker! Don't worry, I'm not getting you. Loading that gun. I got a shield on my arm. You know, to protect me from bullets from Charlie. And even though Mama's health ain't really good, she's at least, you know, shooting. You ready? Don't shoot. Don't shoot your face.
I didn't know whether it was loaded or done.
Every time you close that.
It's cocked. Okay.
Yeah. Let's go get him. We got a minigun. We got this bad boy, and we got that bad boy.
Let's do this.
Yeah,
Let's do this. Oh, he put plywood up there.
That ain't fair, cheater!
Cheater, cheater, pumpkin. He found it in my closet.
Oh crap! Minigun's falling apart.
Retreat. Retreat.
Oh crap! He's got right fire! He's got right fire! Woo! Oh! Shield! Shield! Yeah, shield's not useful. You okay? Ha! Shield work! Shield work!
Wait, hold on. Pause. What do you have as a shield?
None of your biz with beeswax. Let's just say I got it from. Are you okay? You need help?
Yeah.
We must retreat!
Retreat.
Autobots, retreat!
Alright, there's too much crap in this room.
We'll work on the room, don't worry.
Your shield won't protect you.
Yes, it will!
Oh, really? Come at me.
We're retreating! Oh, you believe my shield won't protect me?
Ow! Wait, that's not fair. You're not allowed to knock somebody else's shield down. My eye! You missed!
Retreat! Autobots, retreat! Whoa! Wait for me! Whoa!
Okay, I'm a little woman. I ain't built for this. Why can't my kids have tea parties?
What? We're boys, we're not girls, silly. I think the shield works pretty well. Now, can we get it off my arm before it rips my hair off?
No, we need it still. I'm hurting myself.
It looks like you need it more than I do.
Well, I keep going in. Let's go in.
Here, you record. Okay, you record. Autobots, roll out!
We got this.
Hasta la vista, baby!
As we hunt our prey. Hey, that's not fair! That's not fair! Pause! That's not
Retreat!
fair.
Retreat! We disarmed the shield.
That's not fair!
Ha ha!